The evening falls, the shadows grow so long. I sit alone and sing a quiet song. My knees are tired, my hands are worn and cold. A silver story that has not been told. The clock is ticking on the wooden wall. I call your name, but silence fills the hall. Is there a map for when the night is deep? How long until the gentle dawn arrives? How long before the frozen valley thrives? I plant my seeds inside a desert land and wait for water from an unseen hand.